Use of if in sentences. If is used to mean A on the condition that. Example, if he is here, I shall call on him. B. Admitting that. Example, if he is blunt, he is at least honest. C. Whether. Example, I asked him whether or if he would come again. D. Whenever. Example, if you feel any doubt, you may inquire. E. To express a wish or surprise. If I only knew, I would not have come so early. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.